Hello everyone and welcome to an AC Games tutorial. Alex here. Hello, I'm sorry that I haven't made a tutorial in a long time. I really blew it off. I'm sorry for that. I really shouldn't have. I feel really bad for the subscribers that have been my subscribers for a while and have been waiting for a really long time, and I keep forgetting, and I'm really sorry, and this should not happen again. I'm now going to be coming out with a tutorial every week, along with hopefully a video blog where I will tell you guys the projects I'm working on, some updates, what tutorials are coming up. You guys can then post video responses that you can give me suggestions, criticize me, I don't really care, and just help me help you and give suggestions on what tutorials you think should come up. Alright, now today we are not going to be working on a character. We are going to be working on level design. I will finish those character tutorials out, but I'm going to start over because they're really bad. Alright, so let's get started with this. I'm going to be making a new series where I'm showing you guys how to make certain games with a menu, make it outside of Blender, make it into a full screen game, and show you how you can distribute it among other Blender users and get your game out there so then you can start your own projects. So let's get started. Delete everything in the scene. Space, mesh, and add a plane. Now, if you guys haven't noticed yet, I am using the new version of Blender. A lot of you have, and I really don't like the new version of Blender. It's kind of actually old. It just took a while to switch. So I may mess up a lot, especially with texturing, because as you know, they combined edit mode with texture mode. I don't really like change. Sorry. Like most America. So it may take me some getting used to. So if I mess up, I'm sorry. So let's get started. So we have a plane, and we're gonna want to size this up to right about, I'm hitting S, then holding Control, to right about there. Alright? And then I always like to lift it up a little bit above the pre-made plane they have for you down there. Alright. 7 again on the numpad for top view. Let's go back into edit mode. And you're going to hit W, and W is a really good tool. As you can see, all of these options come up when you hit it. And we're going to hit subdivide 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Let's go with that. And we're going to be working on a little bit of a puzzle game. Alright, so I'm going to make a very simple maze level. You can make it your own. I'm just going to show you how to do it. And it'll be super easy. And hopefully I won't mess it up. Alright, so we're going to click this little triangle button, which allows us to select faces. And holding shift and right clicking, you can select all these faces. And let's see, right about there. And go to 3, and you can hit E to extrude. Bring them up about 2 Blender units. Hit A to deselect them. Let's see, and you're gonna wanna, right now, you're going to want to click all the sides, because you're going to have to extrude this up, because you do not want people falling off your plane. Because if you got to make sure, you always got to check for glitches in your game, because you don't want people falling off, because then, well, that sucks. What are they going to do after they fall off? So we're going to extrude this up so there's no possible way the character can fall off. Can also show you another trick just in case that happens to fix that problem. Alright, so we have this, we hit 3 on the numpad, E to extrude, region, hold Control, and go up 2. Alright, now that we have that, hit A again, and let's start making a little maze. So I'm going to allow them to either go straight or go through there. This is a little confusing. You got to use your head, because obviously you got to be careful that you don't make any mistakes, and you gotta use your brain on how you want this configured. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm creating a dead end down that hallway, opening up actually deselect that one. I'm opening up this hallway so they can come through here, but I'm cutting off that hallway. Alright, so if you can tell, this is the path. You can come through here, there's a dead end, there's an open end. I selected here, so you can also open select that one if you want. So then there's two dead ends there, dead end here. Let's open this up, create another path for them to go down. That is a dead end as well, and I'm gonna have it so this path here's the winner. Alright, so I'm just trying to get a thought. You gotta think in your head on how you want this level to work. Alright, object mode, as you can see, we got a maze. It's obviously not very difficult. It's not super extravagant, but you know, gotta start out somewhere. Alright, so we're gonna angle it, and we're gonna hit P to play, because we want to check something. Now, it looks like everything is solid, because what can happen is sometimes you'll have faces that you can see through. To fix that, I'm just going to show you guys that now. You're going to go into edit mode, you're going to hit A to select all, and you're going to copy it, control, with D, no, what's that? Oh my gosh. See, it's been a while. This is why you don't stop using Blender for a while. Shift-D. Yeah, okay. You're going to copy it with Shift-D, and then with the copy selected, you're going to hit Alt-N, or Control-N, and regulate normals outside. So that prevents any faces from leaking through. If you're a little confused, regulate the normals, flips the faces, so if there are any faces that you can see through. Now with that copy, you can't see through them. It'd be easier to show you with an example, which I'll get to that later. I'll show you that an example some other time if you're too confused about it. Alright, so there we go. There's our basic level design. Simple, easy. I'll be coming out with a new tutorial actually, probably pretty soon, because there's nothing too complicated in that tutorial. I hope that was clear. I hope I was precise enough. So keep checking out new tutorials coming out every week, and I should have a video blog posted up very soon. Thank you. Bye.